Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Warrior Plus income video, I'd like to share with you some more proof that some more profit, monthly recurring commissions, and multiple income streams have come in. I'm live here in my account. Just scroll down here. This is a default for the last 30 days. And so I'm going to go into my all time. Warrior Plus is really good for giving you all your stats and your data. Just loading up now, the all time. And it's going to be concerned with 3 columns here. So we're still live in the account. This right hand column here is a commission column. And you'll see here now it's $9,452 in commissions. The total sales of the products now, $19,008. This column over here is really key. I'm going to show you a bit later on the video. This left-hand column, products. I've sold 2,089 products, and I'm going to show you how with these offers you can promote one link, and you can earn. You can sell multiple products just by promoting one link. But more importantly, in this video, I want to show you how these are autopilot buyers traffic offers. 90% of them are anyway. There are some other ones that are autopilot but don't include 100% buyers. I want to show you how to get your traffic for free. It's the first thing I recommend to my students that you do. I'm a member of each and every one of these. So don't just become a member, become an affiliate. Promote the offer and get your traffic for free. And then that way, it's no longer coming out of your own money. Great thing about these is one link will give you multiple income streams, and they're all done for you funnels. So you don't have to create anything here with the products that are built into the actual funnels themselves. Now what this does, if you want to go to the next level, it gives you a funded traffic proposal where you can get into profit every single month as an affiliate. So not only get your traffic for free, but get into profit. And then what you can do is you can take some of those profits, a percentage of those profits, and you can buy some more traffic to promote your offers. And if you're like me and you've got a full-time job, that means that your money you're paying for traffic no longer comes out of your job income, your wages, or your savings account. I'm going to give you my system at the end of this video if you want to go to the next level and earn thousands of dollars with Warrior Plus offers. Income disclaimer in the description, so I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for me. We've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of these offers and also promote them as an affiliate. So let's have a look now some of the reasons why these work. One reason is if I come down here, is this circular arrow here. This circular arrow denotes how many months in a row your referral, the member, has been paying for. So it's a member subscription for the majority of these. And this member's been paying for 20 months in a row. If you see some new gaps here without an arrow, they're new referrals coming in. 5 months in a row, 6 months in a row, 13 months in a row, 9 months in a row. So what this enables you to do, it enables you to be able to get into profit at the start of every single month. And you're not really sort of chasing new commissions. This one here is 22 months in a row. You can start to build a solid and sustainable monthly recurring commissions. And these products are great with that because they're in the evergreen niche of traffic, and everyone needs traffic. New people are coming online every day. They're joining business opportunities, they're joining MLMs, they're joining make money online programs, and the first thing they look for is traffic, and buyer traffic is the best traffic you can get. By getting it on autopilot, then it's even better. So all these circular arrows are here. It's all monthly recurring payments coming in. And it's easy to get into profit with these because they're all low ticket offers. So this number over here, when I showed you earlier, where I've sold 2,089 products, one way you can do that is most of these offers have got inside them, they've got a done for you funnel. So you're going to get an affiliate link. This is an example of the click generator, one product that I promote. It's an autopilot buyers traffic product. Now, what the owners, John Cornetta and Frank Salinas, have done, they sell traffic and they're traffic expert. They've sold 4.7 million clicks. They know exactly what they're doing. And then if any of you promote that one link, and if any of your referrals buy any of this traffic here, so one here is for 8,500. You'd have to buy it yourself. $8,500, $6,000, $2,000. You would earn the commissions over here. This is the commission column and what you earn. They will pay you $850 in commissions, one-time payment, if one of your referrals decides to buy any of these traffic offers within the done for you funnel. Now there's also recurring products built into it as well. So this is how you start to build up your recurring income, how you get into profit, how you can stay in profit and enable yourself to be able to scale up. So that's just sort of a little look inside the members area of these particular offers. Let me show you now. I'm going to give you my done for you funnels. So I promote predominantly 5 of these offers, and for each of the 5 offers, I've created a done for you funnel. So what it consists of is a lead capture page like this, where I create a video that does all the selling and telling. So you'll just promote one link with this video here. Your prospects will put their email address into there, and then they'll get taken to the next stage of the funnel, which is a welcome page, which shows more video proof on here, and also your affiliate link goes into here. So they would join the click engine through you, and you would earn the monthly recurring commissions. And Leads Leap is what we host the funnel on, and you'll see here they can even join Leads Leap as well. Now Leads Leap, what Leads Leap does, they pay you monthly recurring commission as well. So you can start to earn here. You'll see total earnings in my Leads Leap account are currently $1,058. So by setting these funnels up, it's how I build up my recurring income with Leads Leap as well. The funnels are really easy to set up. I've done tutorials here on how to set them up, step-by-step video tutorials. All you're going to do is copy these share codes and paste them into Leads Leap. It's really beginner friendly. Anyone can do this, even if you're brand new and you just started online. You just follow the video tutorial step by step, and then this complete funnel will be cloned to you. It's completely cloned with the videos in. All you've got to do is just change your affiliate links, and that's it. I've even written some email follow-ups for you. It's important to follow up because a prospect needs to see your offer up to 7 times before they decide to buy. So that's why we have an autoresponder to follow up. Only 1 or 2% buy on their first exposure to a product. So it's really key to have that autoresponder set up. And I've handwritten each and every one of these email follow-ups for you. So it hasn't been done by AI, ChatGTP or anything like that. I've handwritten those for you. And you'll see that my follow-ups convert because with the click engine here, I've referred 130 members. This is a bonus that Jeff Amon has got ongoing. For every 10 click engine members you refer, he'll pay you $25. And I've referred $130. And I've just used this lead capture page here. And I use the funnel because the funnels convert and they explain exactly what products are, and they explain how affiliates can earn commissions as well. So let's just talk a little bit about the system getting these results. If you want to go to the next level, the system is here. It's a video called How to Get Your Buyer Traffic for Free. It's a lot more than that. It's how to put your offer in front of thousands of existing members, how to put your offer in front of thousands of new members joining every day, It's how to get into profit, how to stay into profit, and it's 3 or 4 simple steps outlined in this tutorial video. So the page that it's on here, I will pin to the first comment below the video that you're watching now. And then if you want to watch that and really sort of scale up, again, it's beginner friendly. I've laid it out in a beginner friendly format. My email address will be in the description as well of this video if you want to contact me by email. My email should be on there, but it's not, so I need to amend that. But my email address will be in the description. My email address is, if I remember rightly, at the bottom of each and every one of my funnels. So if you get stuck with anything, you can always just send me an email here. Here's my contact details. If you want some help with your affiliate marketing, that's the best place to contact me on. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new uploads. Currently, I'm doing several new uploads every single week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about any of today's content, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer your questions for you, or just send me an email on that email address, and I'll get back to you. So the links in the description are where you can join, and if you want to watch this video and you want to join any of the products here, I started out with one of these. I started out with the Click engine, and I built this portfolio up over time. So it's not something that you have to join all 5 straight away. If you want to, if it's not within your budget, you can start for under $5, and that's how I started. And I built this up over time to generate the results that I'm sharing with you today. So the links will be in the description, but you can also join or get more information by clicking these buttons here. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.